there, I'm Jane and this is my town. This is where I was born and grew up, and if I can, this is where I'll stay. Let me show you around. This is my neighbourhood. It's a very residential area. In fact, we live on the outskirts of town. There are no skyscrapers here, but we do have a pedestrian zone, lots of car parks, and lots of cycle lanes. There's a roundabout at the beginning and the end of the main street. The street runs through the town and has a wide pavement, and lots of signposts telling you where you are and helping you find your way around. So, if you come to our town, you won't get lost. Let me show you the main street. There's a petrol station at the beginning, followed by a fire station and the law court. Next to that is the post office and a park with a playground for the children. If you need a train, the railway station is about a mile down the road. So, what is there in my town? There are no skyscrapers, but there's a pedestrian zone, lots of car parks, cycle lanes, a roundabout, a wide pavement in the main street, lots of signposts, a petrol station, a fire station, a law court, a post office, a playground, and a railway station.